Welcome everyone to my YouTube channel Ahmed Medical Care. Today we are going to talk about can we use betnovate N for pimples. Here's the thing. Betnovate N is a cream that contains betamethasone, a steroid used to treat various skin conditions such as eczema, contact dermatitis, and psoriasis. However, it's not recommended for treating pimples or acne. Why not for pimples? While betnovate N may reduce redness and irritation, it doesn't address the root cause of acne. Using it on pimples can actually worsen the condition because steroid creams can thin the skin and lead to more breakouts. Alternatives for pimples is like consider using a gentle cleanser with salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide. These ingredients help killing the acne causing bacteria. And some over-the-counters can also be used to regulate cell turnover and prevent clogged pores. For severe acne, consult a dermatologist for personalized recommendations.